Okay, so when you plug in your Raspberry Pi, you need to take a USB keyboard and plug it in. And you're going to go to this right here. You're going to press it, okay? This is going to pop up. You're going to go over here to these. That's how you control up and down and all that stuff. So we're going to go here. We're going to go down to configure input, okay? And we're going to go here and we're going to press A. Are you sure you want to configure input? We're going to press A again. Okay, so it detects that I've got this joystick plugged in. It says hold a button on your device to configure it. Press escape to cancel. So we're just going to pick a button and hold it down. And this will pop up. See if I can move this over so you can see a little better. So you're just going to grab your joystick and you're going to go up, down, left, right. Then you're going to go to your one-player start button, which is right here. You're going to press that. And your credit up or one-player select button, which is this one, right there. Then we're going to go A button, B button, X button, Y button. Now to get through this, since I don't have any of these other buttons, I just go up here and hold that until it passes it, and then let go, and then hold it again. And just continue doing that until I get to the bottom here, where it says hotkey, which the one I'm pressing and holding right now is the one I'm going to use for my hotkey. So I'm going to press hotkey. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to press the button I chose for A, which is going to be this one right here. And you give it a second. And there it goes. Main menu. So then you go, now you can use the joystick, but you go down to quit, you press A, okay? Apparently I need to press it a little bit better. There we go. So restart emulation station. And you're going to press A. Really restart? Yes. What that does is that saves it in the memory. So it's going to remember your configuration here. And now you don't need the keyboard anymore. Should say all that same stuff. But you get through there that way. Now when you want to turn it off, we're going to go back up here to our one player. Press one player and this will pop up, okay? Joystick down to quit. We're going to press A. We're going to scroll down to shut down system. We're going to press A. Really shut down, A. And what it'll do is it'll go through that, and then it turns off. Now you can safely unplug it, okay? Then when you want it on, you just plug it back in. There you go.